Alright, back again with another video. I'm going to show you here the new 2024 North Trail 22 RBS. That's a rear bathroom slide. This unit has a 45-gallon fresh water tank, 40 gray and 40 black. It does come with a power tongue jack here up at the front. Super cool unit. These storage doors are the wide Yeti size doors, so they're super huge. Get them opened up. Lots of storage space in between here, and your pass-through storage here at the front. So the fully loaded weight capacity of this unit is 7,500 pounds, and you do have a 2,254 cargo carrying capacity. It's got the cable slides up right here. Slide on this side. Fiberglass exterior. Now this is the Asdel walls. It does have the fully molded front cap here. Diamond plate over at the bottom. Yeah, see that? King Kong size storage doors. There's called in different ways. Some of them call them Yeti size doors. Some of them call them the King Kong size doors. Right? And then you do have a power jacks on this unit, so no more cranking, with a fully enclosed heated underbelly underneath. Now what's super cool about this unit is that it's got the wide track suspension, right? The wide track suspension. So these wheels are a little bit more spaced apart. What's cool about that is that it prevents swaying. It's almost like if you're standing with your feet together rather than your feet are apart, right? So you just get a little bit more stability on the road that way. You do get the solid steps, and then also as well you do get the rear jacks that are powers as well too. Right, see that? Yeti size. 2-inch thick walls on this unit. And then looking at the back here, you do get a prep for a backup camera there, as well as a holder for a Lippert ladder system, which is super cool right there. So it's one of those telescopic ladders that you can actually just pull out. Coming around the back here, you do end up with a outside shower, black tank flush. Super cool unit. One thing I really like about this unit is it does have the open concept floor plan. Here, let me open this up here. Stepping inside the unit, fully open space in between. No walls dividing it between each other. Lots of counter space up here. Stainless steel sink. Microwave. 3-burner stove system. With an air fry oven. Super cool. And then it's nice because in the kitchen you actually get drawers and you get cupboards. See more drawers. And the cupboards up top. You do get a full pantry / closet space here in the back. What's nice about that is you also get drawers on the bottom too as well. Eight cubic foot fridge, and with this one it is a gas electric fridge. The industry standard, they're starting to go towards these new 12-volt electric fridges, but it's nice to see that this is still a gas electric fridge. Huge U-shaped dinette, which also converts into a bed, and some storage space down below. Also, you do get overhead storage compartment bins as well too. And this is your slide here on this side. Again, with an open concept floor plan, you feel very spacious inside. You do get a king size bed here, with also some storage underneath, and then storage underneath the bed as well too. Little ledge, so you can put some bar stools up. Super nice unit. Little curtain for some privacy too as well. Over the bed, you do get overhead storage compartment bins, also as well as side wardrobes, and almost like a little side table right here. Super neat unit. Lots of floor space, so you guys can have a dance party. Tinted windows. And then checking inside the bathroom here, you do get your stand-up shower, sink, some extra storage spots as well too. LED lighting all the way around the house. Ducted air conditioning. A lot of units, they'll just have the one central unit, but then you're actually getting ducted air conditioning all throughout the unit. Interior and exterior speakers. What's nice is that your heat ducts are just on the side there. What's nice about that is that you actually will, like, being that they're not on the ground and you're sweeping on the ground, they're not going to get any dirt or dust inside them as well too, right? So this is the 2024 North Trail 22 rear bathroom slide. Super cool unit. Asdel walls again throughout this whole unit. Huge awning. Super cool unit. And for being 22 foot, you do get lots of space in between. Very nice unit. It's a beautiful day today too. Come on over and check us out over here at Field of RV Dreams. The unit's listed at $39,900. Which we actually just ended up reducing from $43,900. So it is on sale. Really good bang for your buck on this trailer. Then come check us out at Field of RV Dreams. You can call us over here at 403-262-2121. Again, that phone number is 403-262-2121. My name is Ahmed. Please subscribe and like this video. That'll help out a lot. As you know, YouTube pushes the algorithm around. So, see you soon, fam.